Hi everyone, this is Ryan, and the coastal engineering project I'll be talking about today is the Long Beach Breakwater. The Long Beach Breakwater is located southwest of the Port of Long Beach on the edge of the San Pedro Bay, between the mouths of the Los Angeles and San Gabriel rivers. It was constructed by the U.S. Navy between 1941 and 1949. Most breakwaters do not take 8 years to build, and the main challenge in the construction of this breakwater was the breakout of World War II, which led to a 4-year break in its construction between 1943 and 1946. The Port of Long Beach was being used by the U.S. Navy at the time, and the primary construction purpose of the breakwater was for military defense of the port from submarine attacks. The breakwater was also built to defend the coast of Long Beach from storm surges. The rubble mound 4-layer breakwater has a length of 2.2 miles, with large stones making up its freeboard and top section, and smaller stones on the bottom enclosing both a clay and sand core seen in this image. The crest height of the breakwater is about 80 feet and has a crest width of about 16 feet. The freeboard of the breakwater is about 15 feet above the mean lower low water level. While there are many NOAA stations at the Port of Long Beach, none of them have any tide and current data. So instead, I looked at the tide and current data in Santa Monica, which is north of this breakwater. The mean high water level in Santa Monica was 5.43 feet, and assuming minimal change in tide levels from Santa Monica to Long Beach, this breakwater would easily suffice for the high water level. Since the breakwater's completion in 1949, it has caused a lot of benefits as well as problems for the coast of Long Beach. In terms of benefits, the wall successfully protects billions of dollars in property and business from dangerous waves and storm surges. In terms of habitat, the breakwater has also acted as an artificial reef, housing many species of fish, birds, and invertebrates. The problems of the breakwater begin to be seen on its shore side. It cuts off the natural currents of the Pacific, causing water to linger. With these rivers, especially the LA River, carrying a lot of debris and trash out into the ocean in the bay, it gets stuck between the shore and the breakwater. In the past year alone, over 2,100 tons of garbage was removed from the beach, which is a great cost to the city of Long Beach. Pollution from the port also adds to this, making the beach behind the breakwater unhealthy to swim at during certain parts of the year. The creation of the wall also ended surfing practices on the shore of the bay. The creation of the port and breakwater caused the beaches of Long Beach, once known as a surf town, to become a polluted mess. While petitions and ideas for alternatives were discussed, including removing some or all of the breakwater, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers concluded in a 2020 study that removing the breakwater would be too costly for port and Navy operations. Instead, they proposed a reef restoration plan, which includes creating over 200 acres of aquatic habitats to improve biodiversity and water quality in the bay.